Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to clear your Gemini chat history on your desktop or browser. To delete a single conversation, hover over the chat title in the left sidebar. Click the three-dot menu that appears and select Delete. Confirm the prompt, and that specific chat is gone. If you want to clear everything at once, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Settings, then select Activity. This opens your Google Activity dashboard. Look for the Delete button right above your activity list. Click it, and you'll see options to delete history from the last hour, last day, or all time. Select All Time and confirm to permanently wipe every prompt and response from your account. Forward-thinking tip. If you want to stop Google from saving your chats entirely, toggle off Gemini Apps Activity at the top of that same page. Just keep in mind that even when this is off, Google still stores your conversations for up to 72 hours for safety and feedback purposes. They just won't show up in your history or be used for long-term training. And that's it. Your Gemini workspace is now fresh and ready for your next big idea. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.